Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Honda Pilot emblem. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a heat gun, some fishing line, and a soft cloth. Before you begin, make sure the area around the emblem is clean and free of dirt. You might also consider applying painter's tape around the emblem to protect the surrounding paint from accidental scratches. Now, carefully apply heat to the emblem using your heat gun. Hold it about 6 inches away and heat for approximately 30 seconds to soften the adhesive. Once warm, take a piece of fishing line and gently slide it behind the emblem. Use a sawing motion to cut through the adhesive, working slowly and steadily to avoid any damage to the paint. After the emblem is off, you'll likely have some adhesive residue left on the paint. Apply an automotive-specific adhesive remover to a clean, soft microfiber cloth. Gently rub the remaining glue in a circular motion until it dissolves completely. Be patient and avoid aggressive scrubbing, as this can scratch your vehicle's clear coat and leave permanent marks. Finally, wash the entire area with car soap and water to remove any remaining adhesive remover or residue. Dry it thoroughly with a clean towel. To restore the paint's shine and protect it, apply a high-quality automotive polish or wax. Take a moment to inspect the area closely for any lingering marks, ensuring a perfectly clean finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.